Every currency chart tells a story, unfolding 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The question is, can you read it? Understanding this candle story could give you the insights you need to navigate the market more effectively. Let's break it down. The key rule is simple: only closed candles count. Whether it's yesterday's daily candle or last week's weekly candle, these are the moments that matter. So, what does the story tell us? Imagine last week's W1 candle had a higher high and a higher close than the previous week. You might assume this week will follow suit, a retracement, a higher high, and a higher close. But what if the opposite happens? What if this week's candle has a higher high but a lower close? That's a break in structure, a plot twist, if you will. To confirm what's happening, drop down to the H4 chart. Do you see a pattern forming? Maybe a new lower level or part of a head and shoulders. These patterns can help you interpret the next chapter in the chart story. And what about dojis or indecision candles on the W1 chart? They can signal uncertainty. To get clarity, check the H4 chart again. Did price retrace, move higher, then return to the open? Is this cyclicity or just noise? These details give depth to the story. Remember, this candle story isn't just for uptrends, it works for downtrends, too. Lower lows and lower closes confirm the move, but a lower low and a higher close than open signals a potential shift in structure. Even on D1 charts, the same principles apply. A higher high and a higher close suggest continuation, while a higher high with a lower close than open tells a different tale, rejection at a level. And yes, these ideas work for M1 monthly charts, though those stories unfold at a much slower pace. But with W1 and D1 charts, you can see the narrative evolve in days or weeks rather than months. So, here's the big takeaway: candle storytime is a game changer. By focusing on closed candles and identifying breaks or confirmations in structure, you can uncover the market's direction. Next time you look at a chart, ask yourself, what's the story here? Is price moving up, down, or sideways? Is there continuation or rejection? Mastering the language of candles can open up a world of possibilities in your trading. Let the story guide you. Thanks for listening, and happy chart reading. Signed, sealed, and shared by David and Roxy. LTRFXC/substack.com